If your team consumes, develops, or manages APIs, then consider RapidAPI Teams. Today, thousands of teams are using it for collaborating on APIs. Let's see how we can use it in this video. Create a new organization on RapidAPI Teams. The first step is to create a new organization in RapidAPI Teams. The whole process barely takes a couple of minutes. Navigate to the Teams page by typing rapidapi.com/product/teams in your search bar. Create an account if you haven't already. I am going to click this login button in the top right corner. You can either log in with Google, your GitHub account, your Facebook profile, or you can even provide a work email, password, and so on. I'm going to log in with Google. Once you're logged in, click this Explore Teams button. You will end up on this page where you can start adding information to create your organization. RapidAPI for Teams allows organizations up to 5 members for free and decent pricing for more. You can also invite team members right away. Once you're done, you will be navigated to the organization dashboard. So let's begin with creating your organization. For that, I'm going to type the name of the organization as Maham Dev, keeping the organization seats to 5. Next, I can even invite teammates to this organization either by providing a username or an email address. From this drop-down menu, I can even select the role of that teammate, either a developer or an admin. Here, I can even click this Invite Another button and I can invite other teammates to this organization as well. After doing this, filling in the necessary details, I'm going to check this I'm not a robot box and then confirm and continue. Add and manage teammates. After you've been directed to the organization dashboard, in the Manage Teammates tab, you can easily invite members for your team through username or email provided they're signed up on RapidAPI. If they're not signed up on RapidAPI, then you cannot invite those members to this organization. The process is same as we did earlier. You can provide a username or email and then from this drop-down menu, select the role and then just click Invite User and you're done. RapidAPI Teams also allows you to bulk import members through GitHub or CSV files, which is very practical for large teams. You can create sub-teams inside your organization, assign roles to your members, and manage their access rights through this tab. Add internal or external APIs. For that, here in the organization dashboard, click this Bulk API Import tab from the sidebar menu, and RapidAPI Teams will allow you to get started quickly by bulk importing your existing APIs from GitHub. They have to be in Open API format. For that, I'm going to click this Import from GitHub. I can either continue with GitHub or can even provide my GitHub access token. I'm going to continue with GitHub. After submitting the access token, then the next step is choosing an account, choosing the repository, and then the final is to import APIs and you're done. You can also add your own APIs or subscribe to an external API through RapidAPI Hub, which is the largest API hub having thousands of APIs to choose from. For that, you need to click this organization homepage in the left sidebar menu. You can store them in API collections and members will see only those APIs within the collection that they have access to. I can even add an API by clicking this Add an API button, or can even invite teammates to add APIs, or can even browse the public API hub. Manage APIs. The dashboard allows you to search for an API in your organization or even look up to a specific API endpoint. In the Subscriptions and Usage tab here in the left sidebar menu, you can view detailed analytics like latencies, costs, requests per endpoint, and quota used for the subscribed APIs. The Transactions tab gives insight on the ongoing payments for subscribed APIs and incoming payments for published APIs of your organization. Your organizational personal space for API collaboration is all set. It is used by many companies because of its features, which you can explore further on this RapidAPI Teams page. Feel free to explore it further and use it for your team.